bright and early this morning. It's currently 8:09. We are on the way to Epcot because we really want to do Guardians.
Oh yes.
And racetrack if we can fit it in, but definitely Guardians.
Racetrack? What, the petrol station?
Test track. Because I've just seen the petrol station. Yeah, test track. It's too early, right? Leave me alone.
Can I say what? We're getting up this early to go to a petrol station.
Yeah, I don't know if you're aware, but I've got a fetish for them.
Thought so.
The Americans are really nice ones. We've got really rubbish ones.
I mean, I will agree there. But
so yeah, we're trying to get on Guardians.
definitely do Guardians and then see what the wait time is
Yeah.
for Test Track, because at the moment that's getting a higher weight than Guardians.
Yeah,
some
I think the
days.
lowest I've seen it is like 65.
Yeah,
So yeah, like I said, definitely Guardians. Test track. Take the back seat.
could be a busy weekend this
Yeah,
weekend.
because this morning, obviously this weekend's the Run Disney.
Yeah,
So
Run
obviously
Disney event.
This morning they've already done it. Was it 5:30 on it this morning?
Something like that, yeah.
So, and then I think if you do the run, you get is it a free ticket?
Something like that.
You get a free ticket into the parks. So
Because they
obviously,
pay for their Run Disney ticket.
yeah. So obviously, anybody would take that chance to go to a park if they could. So like, yeah, like Damon said, it could be a bit busier this morning.
But I mean, it's not too bad for being busy because we've done
Pretty much everything.
we've
want.
wanted to do, apart from
Tron.
a few bits
Yeah.
in each park. So it's not like we have to spend full days in parks to get. Because normally we do stay away from the parks in the weekend, but it's our last weekend.
Yeah.
If we want to go in and just take in some atmosphere, then that's fine.
Yeah.
So yeah, we don't know what we're going to do the rest of the day,
No.
but I don't care if I don't do anything.
No.
I'm in Florida.
Yeah, I'm not at work.
Exactly.
I'm at home. I'm, here, chilling out, making memories together.
Yeah. And that's all that matters.
Exactly. So yeah, we'll see you in Epcot.
Luke is up there somewhere. I think I can just see him. But he's up there somewhere in that crowd. We're a bit later than what we'd like to be, but to be fair, it's still good timing. We're still not very far back. Fingers crossed this gets us a lower wait time on Guardians than what the normal wait time is. So the time's exactly 9 o'clock. We have all been let in. We were let in a couple of minutes early actually. And Luke and Lincoln have just joined the queue for Guardians. When we walked in here, it was showing a 50-minute wait. But we'll see how long that takes. Hopefully it'll be a bit like Slinky yesterday and is not what its advertised wait is. That was a lot more crazier than Hollywood Studios. Grown-ass adults pushing their way. A woman hit Lincoln with her bag, and yeah, as you can imagine. So yeah, but I mean, it's adults. Like, just wait your turn, get in line. I mean, I'll show you the line, the queues. I don't know if you can see. It looks bad now, but by the time they fill up inside in that lot, it won't be that bad. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here for 10 minutes in the shade, and then we'll either walk around the World Showcase, or we might go over to Figment or Finding Nemo, just something that Eliza can do. I might hit a few pinboards. Oh, I'm looking tired today. So yeah, that is the plan at the moment until Luke and Lincoln are reunited with us. Eliza's got her bubbles, so she's happy.
And I done it.
Yeah. Colby just filled up Eliza's bubbles for me. And we are patiently waiting for our ride on Guardians.
And it not even that long because it is a long queue.
It is a long queue, isn't it? That's okay. What song are we hoping to get?
Everybody.
Everybody Wants to Rule the World. That's my favourite one, but I haven't had September yet, and everybody says September's the best. Luke and Lincoln have had September, and they say September's the best. So, we shall see what we get. So it's 10 to 10, and
Yep.
you're off.
Yep.
But what time did you think that you actually stopped walking in that queue?
As soon as we got in, we stopped for a little bit, but it was constantly moving.
Yeah.
So it wasn't the 80 it said.
No, but it was 50 when you walked in.
Yeah,
Was
that's
it the
it.
full 50?
So it's probably about 45,
Yeah.
maybe 40.
Yeah. And what song did you get?
Conga.
Ooh,
That's
ouch.
what your favourite song is, because it's definitely Conga for me.
No, yeah. Leave us a comment as to what song you like to ride Guardians of the Galaxy with.
We got Front Row.
Front row. How was it, Lincoln?
Amazing.
Yeah. Did it wake you up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would definitely
What front one?
say it's probably the best ride in Disney.
Oh, controversial. So yeah, me and Colby are about to go and ride it. Hopefully we get one of the good songs.
That's for Front Row.
Luke, can you guess where we've been with Colby's lips?
Have you been drinking
Yeah.
fizzy drinks, by the way? Because you're sharing it with your mouth.
Have we been in Club Cool? Maybe.
And where's
Now
Daddy?
we've
But
been-
does it stain anybody else's lips? Because it seems to stain Colby's lips. Look at the red.
I guess where I'm
But
going.
he had Fanta last night and it stained his lips as well.
Well, I might pop into Club Cool.
It's just not fizzy drinks are not from
I might treat myself to Club
Oh, you go and treat yourself while we go and ride Guardians.
I hope you don't get
Yeah,
very
treat
good.
yourself.
Oh, don't be mean.
Greetings and welcome, Terrans, to the wonders of Xandar. I am WorldMind, the Xandarian supercomputer. My purpose is to preserve the knowledge and history of Xandar. Your scholar, Peter Quill, has been teaching me about your world. He has suggested that if I want to start my journey of understanding the complex and intricate Terran mind, I should look no further than the same.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed.
People of Epcot, Epcotters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. You made it! I mean, of course you did.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. We are likely doomed.
You're gonna need it. From existing.
Ready?
Have we done? I think we're jumping back. Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy!
So me and Colby have just come off Guardians. How was it, Colby?
Good.
Good. We got Everybody Wants to Rule the World.
Yeah.
Still the best song on Guardians. Oh, why, Luke? You're a bit bitter because you got Conga.
No, I'm happy for you.
That is such a good ride. We also waited to do row 9 because I was told row 9 is the best row to sit on. And it was really, really good. Oh, bit salty there, Luke.
No, sweaty, not salty.
But can we just have a little bit of honesty here? I think they need to get rid of all the pre-shows in that room.
I was thinking, oh my god.
What is that?
The lizard's poking his head
Oh,
out.
lizard. Right, go step it, careful.
Come back.
We're just sat on this bench deciding what we're going to do. And a lizard is just poking his head out there.
Oh, so cute.
He's like, don't mind me, I'm just chilling. Right, let's move away then. And then
Probably
he'll be
hiding
able to
in the
do. So yeah, back to our honesty. They need to get rid of it.
Yeah, because when I was in there was an older gentleman constantly arguing with people trying to push in front of him.
Yeah.
And then also the second room, don't do too many spoilers, but second room there's a certain part where you stand in the room and you skip the queue that's already in that room, if that makes sense?
Yeah.
So literally as soon as you walk in they all run to the right and then you think, well no one's
Yeah.
watching the show.
You go into the first room, everybody stands to the right. Then when you go into the second room, everybody even more stands to the right.
Yeah.
And then when the surprise happens in there, if you've never been on it, everybody just rushes to the right. Nobody's watching the pre-show. It's just absolutely pointless.
I think in the second room from me and Lincoln, there's like no more than 10 people actually stood in front of the screen.
Yeah, yeah. Everybody had their backs to the screen and that lot. And then when those doors open, everybody just rushes.
But
There's
still,
no need for it. You're all getting on the same ride.
But you rush to get into the last room, to get on the ride, but then you're still in the queue anyway, so
Yeah.
you're not really gaining anything.
Exactly. So, yeah, I think they just need to get rid of all the pre-shows in that ride.
Or make it so someone stands there and tells people, look, there's no
Or
point
put
rushing.
bars up so you're in your rows, so
Right,
nobody
so you're
can cut
funneled in.
through. Yeah, it just, yeah.
But apart from that, it's probably
But
the best
apart from
idea.
that, it is an amazing ride. Yeah. So we are just chilling in the centre of Epcot,
Yeah, just outside Creation Shop.
just outside the Creation Shop. We are just about to have a conversation as to what we all want to do next. Lincoln's shouting chilies. Maybe.
I don't say no to that.
No, we like chilies. Chilies is a firm favourite and we know it's good. So, yeah, we'll let you know when we know. Let me update you with our plans. So, chilies is off the cards. We've gone for a quick and easy McDonald's. This is the McDonald's that is near Disney World property. From the videos I've seen, it looks really posh. It has a nice outside seating area. A nice one as well. Look at that bougie seating area for a McDonald's. Isn't it?
Don't see that in every McDonald's, do you?
No, you don't. You don't see that in the UK. So, yeah. And then the kids all really wanted to go back to Blizzard Beach. That was the top of their list to do. So that is what we are going to do for this afternoon. And then I think this evening, because Magic Kingdom is open till 11, we might watch the fireworks. Whoa, look at this McDonald's.
Oh, look.
Whoa. Jeez, this is a posh McDonald's, isn't it, Luke?
It's very posh.
Yes.
And it's clean as well.
As posh as McDonald's can get. What? Oh look, Lincoln spotted the iPads over there.
I wanna...
Let me order first.
Okay.
That McDonald's was delicious.
It was lovely.
Very nice. We have just got to Blizzard Beach and we have just realised we have forgotten to bring the waterproof case for this camera.
There's a mad dash out.
So, we are hopefully going to get some footage on
We
Luke's
have got
phone.
protective.
But if you see no footage from Blizzard Beach, then we do apologise.
We'll try our best.
We have already filmed a little bit from Blizzard Beach in our earlier vlogs. If you haven't seen that, go back and watch that. But yeah, if not, you will probably see us back in the car on the way to Magic Kingdom. So yeah, Say go! They come! Luke! Colby and Lincoln are all the way back there.
Go! Right, just be careful of that rock there, Colby.
What a great couple of hours in Blizzard Beach.
You know,
Right.
I'm struggling.
Hopefully some of that footage is good enough to put in before this. If not, then you'll just have to believe us that we had fun. We are back in Magic Kingdom. Extremely busy. This is giving me first day vibes.
Yeah. And he's giving me August
My
vibes.
fringe is not vibing, I know that. So, the plan is to watch fireworks tonight, but we've watched them on Main Street. So we like to find different ways to watch them.
Yeah.
So we watched them at the Polynesian Resort last August. If you haven't watched that vlog, go back and watch it. And today we are feeling contemporary from the balcony. So plan is to start to make our way over there about 8:30 in the hope that we get a space on the balcony. If not, then we'll change the plans up. No, we're not going home.
I took the one with the 4 chairs.
So yeah, so we're just chilling in Magic Kingdom for a couple hours. Not doing anything in particular. Just walking around. So yeah, if we do anything interesting, I'll let you know. What's going on? What? Pirate's life for me. Say yo ho, yo ho. Pirates is always the winner in our household. So we are just going to walk back up Main Street. Ooh.
People are already sitting there for fireworks.
People are already sitting down. Oh, could it be Starlight though? People are already sat down. Look how crazy this is.
Right here.
Jeez! So yeah, people are already sat down for Starlight. And then obviously the fireworks will be straight afterwards. Magic Kingdom's open till 11 tonight. So I think that's why it's especially busy as well. But yeah. We're going to make our way over to the Contemporary now. Because I absolutely love the fireworks. Love them, don't we, Lincoln?
Huh?
We love the fireworks, right? Gets us a bit emotional, doesn't it? Yeah, right? But what I do not love is all the crowds. Do you like the fireworks? Yeah? I do not love the crowds. I cannot be standing and waiting on Main Street for hours on end just to get a good spot. That is not for us.
And then walking all the way back to the monorail, which is going to be a big queue.
Yeah. Crazy scenes. So, this is why we like to shake it up a little bit and watch it from different areas. So I'm just trying to watch where I'm going so I don't run into people. So yeah, we're just making our way to the Contemporary now, because then from the Contemporary we can just jump straight on the monorail and back to the TTC, which is really easy and shouldn't be busy. I anticipate a lot of people still leaving after the fireworks, even though Magic Kingdom's open till 11. So I still think it's going to be busy leaving the fireworks, but hopefully it won't be busy for us because we will be catching the resort monorail, not the actual monorail. So yeah, Main Street's all lit up. Are we missing something, Luke?
Well, I think we've made the right decision though.
But look, that's the queues to get into Magic Kingdom.
It is currently 10 past 8.
10 past 8. Yes, there's still 3 hours of the park, but
Tron's still showing at 85.
yeah. I don't know what we're missing here. Why is it so busy? Do you know? Do you know? What is it? Why is it so busy?
Maybe it's because they want to watch fireworks and go on rides.
Yeah, maybe, but we don't know. Right, are we monorailing it or are we walking? Should we walk it?
I don't know the route.
Let's walk it, come on. We have made it to the Contemporary balcony and this is our view. So there's seats here, and then over in the distance there is the castle. That's Space Mountain over there. Just see the top of Tron there. We've got the monorail overhead. That is Luke, but that is the Bay Lake Tower, is it? I want to say. You have all this balcony space, and these chairs are really cute. I'm surprised at how good it is up here. Aren't you?
Yeah, I see with the camera on that camera's not very good at doing
No.
it. But I'll try to get some on my phone.
Yeah. What have you got to say?
We got.
Oh, you got some apple juice. What have you got? Got some apple juice?
I already drank.
You told me not to sit down now.
So yeah, we are waiting patiently for the fireworks.
Two exit following the big wide area that was parked on the ground. But they only truly wanted only exit. And if you have any car troubles, you can these balls flag down at parking with security cash cover. We will happily will see you. See the line where the sky seems it could be. And all I know is how far it goes. It's been to myself. These days behind. One day I messed up the words. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell. Say
Beautiful.
Time for our 5 mile per hour U-turn cruise.
Hold on.
It's right. We're making a 5 mile per hour U-turn. Everyone say woo! Everyone say woo! That was so good. That was awesome. Driver, play, that's right. Stop, friends, remain seated, holding on a small check.
Just hit the camera.
Please exit out to the driver's left. 5 feet up left. Please exit out to the driver's right.
We've just stopped in Twisty Treat.
Good,
I had to
no,
think about
no.
that then. Why did it take me long to say?
Well done.
I will talk about, or we will talk about the fireworks in a minute and how we got out of Magic Kingdom. But we just fancy some ice cream. The kids have got their
Sure.
ice creams.
And that is. I'll just quickly show the camera. That's right, Lincoln.
This is a kid's
Yeah, that is a kid's one.
ice cream. That is crazy.
Quite nice. That's kids, mine.
And we've also got Eliza's here as well. I'm holding Eliza's because she's currently asleep. And me and Luke thought we'd share an ice cream. And Luke ordered a large.
But I did think
Because
obviously
obviously we thought 2 people sharing.
large would be alright.
Can we just show you the tub that it's coming?
If you were to go, like, obviously this is for people that live in England. If you were to go to the shop, any shop, big brand shop, and you go, oh, I'm going to buy myself a tub of Ben and Jerry's.
It still
This-
wouldn't be
this-
that size.
Poops all over it. Without swearing, I'm not going to swear, but this poops all over it. Size of that.
Look at the size of that compared to.
That's my head.
Let's put the kids one up to
Yeah.
it.
That's, I got a fat head. That's ridiculous.
That's bigger than a tub of Ben and Jerry's. That's bigger
Yeah,
than a tub
yeah.
of Ben and Jerry's.
Without a doubt, but I thought, well, me and you can share. But I didn't realise I was asking for half a filled of, like,
That's ridiculous.
well, I'm not getting large again.
Hold up the bottle of Coke next to it. See if that helps. That's just ridiculous. And how much were all of these?
Well, we'll just check.
26. 33.
Bear with.
What, dollars?
Yeah.
So it's $23,
Mm.
and then £19.46.
That's not bad. Not.
Not bad. I've ordered half a flipping milk. That could feed a family of 4.
Well, I would love to have seen your face. I stayed in the car with Eliza. I would have loved to have seen your face when she gave you that. It came with a lid and everything.
Yeah,
It's
look.
got its own lid.
It looks like
What flavour did you get anyway?
mint.
Is it nice?
To be fair, I know we've moaned about it. It's quite nice.
There's no way we're gonna eat all of that.
No.
I'm literally dumping in.
You're diving in, are you?
Oh, I've got
Anyway.
spillage.
How can you spill anything out of that tub?
Oh, I don't know. Perhaps there's a hole in it. 'Cause there's
Is
not.
it nice? Is it worth it?
It is worth it if you were a family of 4.
That would have probably done all 5 of us. Don't you think?
Well, if I knew it was that big, I wouldn't have ordered it. I swear I came here last time and we got a large and it was not this big.
Is that the biggest they do, or do they do like bigger?
If they did any bigger than that, Demoz, they'd be out of business.
Anyway.
There'd be an ice cream shortage in
That's
America.
a way of making you to get another one, but even bigger.
I couldn't do any bigger than that. Anyway, we're going to drive home. So we can eat our
They
ice
should have just
cream.
given me a ladle.
Yeah.
Not a spoon, a ladle.
Another day done.
Oh, yes.
Let's talk about Magic Kingdom fireworks. How did we all find it?
Amazing.
Good?
I think it's different.
Colby?
I
Good.
think it's different because it's not used to be like different fireworks.
Yeah? What did you think, Luke, watching it at the Contemporary?
I preferred it at the Polynesian.
Yeah, 100%. Polynesian tops that.
Yeah, because
At the moment.
the music was louder on it.
Yeah.
At the Polynesian.
Yeah,
whereas
the
that-
music.
They had the music, but it wasn't that loud.
Yeah, I think I should be able to put a lot of the fireworks in because the music wasn't very loud, and also we had some quite excited children behind us
Yeah.
screaming.
I mean,
which
they were enjoying
ain't a bad
themselves.
thing. They were just enjoying themselves.
We all got to enjoy ourselves.
Exactly. So they're just kids being kids.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I definitely prefer the Polynesian.
We didn't eat that ice cream.
No, we didn't. We didn't
God.
even make a dent in it.
We got about a quarter of the way and gave up.
I mean,
Just ridiculous. The boys have done well with theirs, but even that size
Watch out,
for a
it's dripping.
kid's
Drip.
is crazy. But on that note, we've got 2 helpers
Mhm.
ending the vlog for us tonight. Oh no, Colby's gone back to sit down and eat his ice cream.
no.
But on that night, I need to go to bed. I'm
Crikey.
really tired tonight.
Outtakes galore, yeah.
On that note, if you've enjoyed seeing our faces on your TV screen or mobile device or whatever device you're watching us from, be sure to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
because it's to do.
Subscribe.
There's also the hype button, whatever that is. You can do it not once, not twice, but
3 times.
A lady.
a lady.
No, 100 times. I wish.
And of course we are across all socials, including Instagram and TikTok, under the same name as this
God,
YouTube,
help me.
House of Hicks-Crane.
What is in that chocolate ice cream?
Let me see.
And on that note, we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.